how to change your website on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your website on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and then click on your profile here, then click complete your profile, and you will find websites. Now just type any website you want and click save, and that's it. Now just you can change it again if you want. Just come back here, click on it and change it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.